Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again, and today I'm going to show you how I transform this hair into a different hairstyle. And if you really want to know how I did it, then keep watching. Alright, so this is the hair I'll be using today. I received this hair from Youth Beauty Hair Collection. It came in this bag, well packed, and it looks really beautiful, gorgeous as the hair. And the pack looks like a hanging pack, which you can pop in your wardrobe and keep it safe. And inside the pack, I have a wig cap and three bundles of hair. And also there have extra tapes inside just in case you need to reinstall the hair, and also a comb that I really like. Alright, so this is what the hair looks in the bundle, and so when I bring it out of the bundle, it looks really lush. This hair has a very good texture and it is easy to blend, and I didn't notice any shedding on this hair, to be honest. And also there's no breakage. This is a good nice protective style for all hair type. So if this is your hair texture, you can blend in immediately. But if not, if you need to straighten your hair, you can go ahead and straighten it. So I'm going to show you all this in this video. So let me further show you what this tape in looks like. Actually, this is my first time of installing a tape in. So a tape in looks like that. They are like in pieces like that, and then what you need to do is to peel off the white bit of it. That's where it's covered, for the sticky part to be on the head and the hair. So when you peel it up, it looks like that. And so what you're going to do for install is to use two of each of those tape like that too. You have to sandwich your hair in between. So guys, I'm going to show you everything you need to know in this video. This is actually my first install, so I made some mistakes and I corrected, and I think I like the result. So if this is what you like to watch, then keep watching. Alright, so I went ahead and pressed the hair to see what the texture looks like, and I think I prefer to use this texture because it actually doesn't fit her hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry her hair and stretch it, then yeah, I'll come and show you the install. And guys, one other thing is that her hair is darker than the hair extension, so if you have time to dye your hair to match, then fine, but if you don't, just go ahead and put it. It wasn't bad, like it wasn't like obvious, but if you have time to dye, then go ahead and dye. So what I'm going to do now is to go and straighten this hair, and I'm going to pass my straightener once through the hair, and then that's it. Then I'll come back to show you what it looks like.
Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst.
Alright, so it's a good point to start from the back and make sure that you put enough hair at the back to cover the tapes. I know the tapes are black, but make sure that you put enough hair so that when you put in a ponytail, it will cover the tapes and it will show. And also bring out some hair on the surroundings of the hair, the perimeter, enough hair that also can hide the tape. And then when you start installing, make sure that you go from ear to ear like that. So I've started it already, and so make sure that it's close to the hair, the root, but not to the root, not so close so that it won't be too tight. And then when you do that, you just go ahead and sandwich the hair. Do one on the top and put a little hair in between and just sandwich. And so yeah, this is very easy, just easy to follow. Just make sure that you watch this video to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. Do you think is good, is a good hairstyle? Do you think you like it? And if you do like this hair, the direct link is in the description box below. You may also like their other hair products and other stuff they sell on their website. Also, the details is in the description. And when you buy this hair through my link, you will get 30% off your purchase. So don't lose that. Make sure you use code CHIDE to get 30% off. And yeah guys, this is a really beautiful hair. I haven't done this before. It's my first time, like I said before, but it was effortless, and this is really easy to apply. It's a protective style. You can put your hair in a bun, you can put your hair in a ponytail, you can put your hair in a sleek pony, whichever way you want to just style this hair is really good. And we didn't experience any heat damage or whatsoever, but make sure you use the heat protectant so that your hair does not damage. And this hair gives volume to the hair. Honestly, I wish I could have done this on my hair, but honestly I don't know how to do it by myself because I didn't want to mess it up, so I had to use a model. Alright, so yeah, this is what it looks like so far, and I'm really loving it. So guys, stay tuned and see what the final look looks like, and I'll talk to you again.
Every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Get through this, life is a nuisance.
And also for the side, I just went ahead and put good amount of hair on the side. You just have to do eyeball it somehow and see how it's going. And in total I use about 2 packs. I used 2 packs for this, 2 bundles for this install, and it was looking really nice and adequate, sufficient. I really love it. I really love this style. And so guys, don't forget to check the description box. I really enjoy this install, and it's something that I really like to wear on my hair also if I have the opportunity. And so guys, yes, that will be all my speaking for this video. Just watch to the end and let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll be right there to interact with you. Thank you so much. Bye.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and